Good news for those who mind cats. There's the good news. The cat withdrawal is now live. Do you know that you can get 30,000 cats for free? Okay, you can get it. So, for the Bitgate users, congratulations to you. You can get 30,000 cats whenever you use a Bitgate exchange to withdraw your cats. For 200,000 people, for the first 200,000 people that are going to withdraw their cats to Bitgate will receive 30,000 cats. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can withdraw your cats to Bitgate exchange. If you want to know how to do it, just watch this video from the beginning to end. Do not forget to share my video, like and comment. Let's go there. When you open your cat mining boat, you come to airdrop, click on airdrop, click on exchanges, click here, then click on continue. These are the exchanges that are available for now: Bitgate, Gate.io, Bybit, KuCoin. So look at what I'm seeing here. If you use the Bitgate to withdraw your cards, they will reward you with 30,000 cards. That is the first 100 people that will withdraw to card that we're going to use Bitgate to withdraw their cards. We get 30,000 cards. Okay, so I have my Bitgate account already is verified. Okay, so I'm going to use Bitgate because I want to get the bonus from the Bitgate exchanges. Other exchanges will be available in 24 hours, 12 hours. Maybe they'll be adding other exchanges here. Okay, then I'm going to click on Bitgate. Click on send here. Click on I have it. You go to a Bitgate exchange, copy the UID, paste here, copy the card's address and paste here. If you come to a Bitgate, you come to assets, click on assets, click on add funds, click on deposit crypto, search cards here. See the cards, click on it. The card is on Ton ecosystem. That is the network. So this is the address. Click on here to copy the address. It's copied. Go back. Paste the address here. Go back and copy Bybit UID. Paste it here. Now to copy Bybit UID, click this place. See the UID here. See it here. Hold on it to copy it. It's copied. Go back. Paste. Click on send. After that, it will be pending. Okay, so this is how to withdraw your cards to exchange. If you are using Bitgate, KuCoin, Bybit, you can follow the steps. Okay, please make sure you share this video, like and comment. Thank you.